Let's go to see the activities for chapter 4. Activity number 1, what kind of correlation we have between the two variables. As you see, the data go down from left to right, so we have a negative linear correlation between the two variables. Number 2, we don't have a positive linear correlation or negative, we have a non-linear correlation between the two variables. For activity number 3, we have to use the graphing calculator. So step number 1 will be to enter the data into the graphing calculator. So let's go to enter the data. So what we have to do, we have to go to Stat, same steps as before, Edit, and we have to enter the data L1 and L2. So for L1, for X, we have the temperature, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, and 105. For L2, we have the Y, which is the number of ice cream cones sold per hour, 8, 10, 11, 13, 12, 16, 19, 22, and 23. Next step, we have to go to Stat, and we go to Calc, and we go to number 4, linear regression AX plus B. So as you see, we can get the slope, the constant, the coefficient of determination, and the correlation coefficient. So for question number 1, we have to go to identify the correlation coefficient. So if you check the graphing calculator, it is 0.973. So the correct answer is B. Let's move on to the next question. What is the regression equation? Already we know the slope and the constant. The slope is 0.383. The constant is negative 17.69. So in this case, for this activity, the correct answer is going to be A. Y is equal to 0.383x minus 17.694. Next one, if you can predict when it is 50 degrees, don't forget that x minimum you can predict from x minimum, which is 65, to x maximum, which is 105. So this is outside of the range, so the answer is false. Next problem, predict when the temperature is 88. Again, you can predict from 65 degrees to 105 degrees. So y is equal to 0.383 times 88 minus 17.694. We can use the calculator. 0.383 times 88 minus 17.694. So this is going to be 16 cones. So the correct answer is C. The correct answer is C. And for the last question, what is the coefficient of determination? We already know the answer from the graphing calculator. It is 0.9465, 0.9465. So for this problem, the correct answer is going to be A. And these are the solutions for the activities for chapter 4.